silver futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in negative MACD. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD as well and at oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we see the same action, negative MACD, and at oversold condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $19.06. My sell target is at $20.18. My stop loss is at $18.75. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $20.68, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $19.37. My stop loss is at $21.01. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the 5th day or wicked trading, silver futures has a 23% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, a 15% chance to climb between 4 to 8%. To the downside, it has a 62% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.